Well, my ma was nervous and distraught. My pa, he told me that I got caught. My mind was a blank the day I bought this old bomb of mine. My buddies tell me that it's alright, except I'm sitting on dynamite. Well, there ain't a doggone thing that's tight on this old bomb of mine. Well, a cloud of smoke and a great big roar. Every time I push her down to the floor, well, she shivers and she shakes just a little more. This old bomb of mine. Well, you think she's carrying a 10-ton load, the way she drags along the road. Jump with banged up fingers and a stolen tongue. She just wants to really big clump and a clump. This old bomb of mine. Well, I can't say that I blame you none, and you won't be the only one. Laugh at me.